And this was a tool we devised to help accomplish that. It is a controller for Wii U, and it's called the Wii U GamePad. Let me tell you how we decided on the name. In the 1980s, we began selling a home console known in Japan as the Famicom and in America as the Nintendo Entertainment System, or NES. The controllers for previous game platforms typically had a joystick of some sort, but the NES had only a flat surface with the plus control pad. Because of this, players began referring to it as a gamepad. In any case, we decided that this name also made sense to describe the appearance of the Wii U controller, even though it now also features two-stick type devices. This is probably the most obvious difference from the prototype we showed at E3 last year. That previous version had circle pads for thumb control, but we decided that this format was really more appropriate for portable devices where a low-profile form factor is important. Instead, here we have incorporated sticks that not only operate precisely in 360 degrees, but which also can be pushed down for an added method of control. In addition, we have also redesigned the back of the controller and the button layout to maximize comfort, even if you are playing for a long period of time. A couple more things. This mark to the left of the screen is the location for the NFC reader writer. You can place cards or figures on this, and relevant data will be read or written into your experience. This button can be pressed even when the Wii U itself is not activated. With the existing remotes for your current Wii, you can simply turn on or turn off the game console. Beyond that, you need your TVs or cable remote. But with Wii U, the GamePad itself becomes a fully independent infrared TV remote. Next, let me talk about some of the things that the Wii U GamePad makes possible. Last year at E3, we talked about the potential of two screens. Of course, many people already operate the two screens of both Nintendo DS and Nintendo 3DS. But with Wii U, two screens become more dynamic because the relationship between them is not fixed. Secondly, the two screens make possible something engineers refer to as asymmetric diversity in gameplay. In simpler terms, what is being seen or even done on the small gamepad screen is different from what's happening on the big screen TV. We'll be showing you what this means for gameplay at E3 this week. The gamepad screen is also a touch screen. You can use a stylus to draw pictures or use your finger for the usual range of intuitive inputs. What is more unusual is how the two screens can work together in unprecedented ways.